Yeah, I was filling up the Sea Ray at MarineMax, and Kyle, all of a sudden there's someone behind me, and Kyle pulls in sideways on this yacht. It was a Galeon. So I said, okay, and then he took me on it. I said, at that point in time, I said, someday I have to get one of these. So we ended up getting one of these. The name is because we're Moon.
And Moon, we are Kathy Moon.
Yep, and Kathy was sitting there, and she goes, "Oh, look at a full moon." We tried to get all the kids to come up with the name. They never did come up with a name, and she's sitting there, and she said, "Full moon." And I said, "Okay."
Okay, Lou, come here. Come
and then Lou is our guy that keeps trying to sneak out. Yeah.
You want a cookie?
Fine. Look, I mean, he's a boat dog. He's always been on since he's a baby. We've got boats up north, so he's always been on boats since he was a pup. And he did great on the ride here. He just slept downstairs, so. Yeah, we're gonna go. We're gonna just try to find different marinas for weekend trips, and then we're gonna do the Bahama trip with MarineMax. That's the goal. I had to kind of learn how to drive it first, so. Yeah.